Hello, I'm Darcy Armstrong, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library, and continuing our overview of resources, we're going to go to Black Freedom Struggle, which is a collection of primary source documents related to critical people and events in African American history. As always, to get to our resources page, click Resources, the top of our homepage, and as this resource, Black Freedom Struggle, is intended for students, we're going to go to Education, Research, and Testing. And for students and parents, we're on the right tab. Come down to Black Freedom Struggle. And you can browse primary sources by subject below. So if you're only looking for information about slavery and the abolition movement, for example, you can click that, and then it collects information. So if I'm browsing by subject, there'll be a general explanation of that subject up at the top, and then the primary sources are further organized by person or event. So if I'm looking up information about legal cases centering on race and slavery, I just click on that. And it will take me to any primary documents about the Kansas-Nebraska Act. So the actual piece of legislation, presidential communications, and state resolutions. Let's click on one. And it'll give you a general overview of the document, and you can view it. So let's go back. You can also do a search if you would like. Person or topic, and find those primary documents as well. And because it's a primary document that was published in the Chicago Tribune, you can increase or decrease the size of the image. Black Freedom Struggle also offers examples of how to incorporate the search results and resources into homework assignments. And there are also some teaching resources in there if you're a teacher or a homeschooling parent.